Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In today's headlines, all 19 QC teams of SAIL RSP awarded under different categories in the 35th National Convention on Quality Concepts. Program on Electrical Safety and Indian Electrical Rules held at RSP. And in the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Dr. Ashok Kumar Mohanty. And now the news in detail. All the 19 quality circle teams of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP were awarded under different categories in the 35th National Convention on Quality Concepts, that is NCQC, held in a hybrid mode at Coimbatore from 27th to 30th December 2021. The function was organized in collaboration with PSG Institute of Technology and Applied Research, and RSP participated in this competition in virtual mode. The theme of the convention was involving people through quality concepts to make India a global leader. In all, 2021 case studies on quality circles and allied concepts participated in the convention from all over the country, of which 1,499 were present virtually and 522 teams attended physically. 12 teams, namely Parivartan, Blast Furnace, Sankalp, HSM, Urja, EMD, Pioneer, A&I, Nai Udan, SMS2, Samadhan, SMS1, Milan, SMS1, Tejas, NPM, Arjun, RNC Lab, Genesis, RMHP, Focus and Megamind from Roll Shop of RSP received the Par Excellence Award, which is the highest award. 4 teams got the Excellence Award. They are Abhishkar, Cocoven, Aradhana, RMHP, Kirtiman and Swabhiman, SP3. The 3 teams that bagged the distinguished award were Maramat, that is shops, Sudhar, refractories and Udaya from oxygen plant. QCFI Rourkela chapter was also adjudged as the second best chapter among B category in national level. Mr. Gopal Sahu of SMS1 Samadhan QC bagged a prize in slogan competition. Mr. A.C. Sarkar CGM Quality and Mr. C. Samal GM RCL coordinated and facilitated the event at the plant level with the support of all the concerned HODs. A 3-day program on electrical safety and Indian electrical rules was held at CPTI Rourkela Steel Plant on 6 to 8 January 2021. In all, 16 employees from Rourkela Steel Plant and Bhilai Steel Plant attended the program. The session focused on basics of Indian electricity rules and statutory inspection procedure of electrical equipment, shutdown procedure and safety rules pertaining to maintenance of electrical equipments and their safety, use of safety appliances and application of safety symbols, etc. were also demonstrated. Behavioral safety in electrical operation and maintenance systems and various firefighting practices in electrical installations were also covered. Safe operation and maintenance of various key equipment were discussed at length. Topics on static electricity, arc flash hazards and remedial measures and overall electrical safety were explained through audio-visual presentation. For better internalization, case studies on electrical accidents with specific reference to recent incidents were some of the exercises given to the participants. The sessions were conducted by in-house faculty from different departments. The program was coordinated by Mr. P.K. Raut, AGM CPTI and Mr. S.K. Naik, Senior Instructor CPTI. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Odisha, some well known and some lesser known. Today's personality is Dr. Ashok Kumar Mohanty. A brilliant metallurgist, academician and professor, Dr. Mohanty was born on 1st October 1941. After graduating in engineering with first class honors from Banaras Hindu University in 1961, He served as a lecturer in the same university from 1961 to 63. Later, he was awarded the prestigious Commonwealth Scholarship for Higher Studies in the reputed University of Sheffield, UK, where he obtained his master's degree in 1965 and PhD in 1967 in metallurgy. After a brief stint in Malviya Regional Engineering College, REC Jaipur as reader, Dr. Mohanty joined REC Rourkela as assistant professor and through his devotion, commitment and dedication rose to the position of professor at a very young age. In 1972, later Dr. Mohanty assumed the charge of principal of REC Rourkela in February 1996. His accomplishments and outstanding contribution towards the development and betterment of REC Rourkela, which is now National Institute of Technology NIT, were noteworthy. A person of high caliber, Dr. Mohanty gained expertise in the field of extractive metallurgy with particular interest in steel making. He has several technical papers published in many national and international journals to his credit and has authored a very popular textbook in metallurgy by Prentice Hall Company. Dr. Ashok Kumar Mohanty left for the heavenly abode on 9 January 2022. And that's all we have from our news desk today. Namaskar.